there. Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional, not in today's newspaper of Friday, March the 17th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Tuesday, March the 14th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two stars Sudoku. So it's time now for the for the Tectonic with one star. Tectonic with one star. Come on, let me position the camera. This will be number, I believe, number 6132. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with one star. For one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, always a 1. Here another one, single box. Do we have dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. Here we have a triple box, contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so these two boxes should be 1 out of 3. Yeah, so a triple box. When you see a triple box, remember that the inside box is this box, inside box, near the middle box. It's always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 we already have in this area, so this box should be a 5. Here another triple box. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Here, this inside box, 4 or a 5. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. Oh, here. Rotated, the L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T shapes here. This one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. And that box has the same number as this box. This case is a 4 or a 5. Alright, next shape, figure, structure, or constructions. Construction, how about this shape? This one, yes. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 3. Alright, so this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, this one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. These 3 boxes around the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because 3 and 1 can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So the other pair should be the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And this box is connected with that box. So we saw 1 or a 2. Let me see. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, 3 and 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. This box can be a 4. Well. I need to wait here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. So the 1 in this triple box could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, can be a 3. That means that this that box should be also the same, can be 2 and 3. It's connected. I think this box should be a 1 then. Is connected with that box should be also 1. Is connected with this box should be also a 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Here can be 1 because we have double 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. Yeah. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4. Yeah. One number left, number 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box can also not be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Need a 2 here. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. 2 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yeah, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.